So this is my new ZeroG Mercury 1, known as Death Dragon. It is the fully enclosed version, which has not been completely released by ZeroG yet. I am using a Revo Six Hotend, an Orbiter 2 extruder with filament sensor, a BL Touch Smart for the automatic bed leveling. This is a full Mercury 1.1.5 build, complete with Hydra. We are running LDO motors all around, along with a UHP 350 power supply, Omron SSR, UTC for the CAN bus board, which is an EVB 36, and a Manta M8P with CB1 module. We do have some cooling for the electronics in the form of a GD Stein 6020 fan, as well as a new Nevermore V6 that has been plugged in for use when printing ABS. Right now, I have been printing a bunch of PLA silk-based prints for Murph, just to have something on the table to hand out. But the machine is up and running and printing well.